Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see unboxing video of boat speaker which I bought recently from Amazon. I have bought a Boatstone granite speaker which cost around 1100 rupees. Let's see the unboxing video of it. I can see the box is very nice. Let's see the invisible. You can see it, the cost is around 1099 rupees, which is around 1100 rupees. The box is very neatly packed. You can see it is bombastic and it is a mono speaker of 5 watts and it is waterproof and shock resistant and it has a very rugged design. You can see we can connect it to Bluetooth 5.0 and it is multifunctional and it has 1200 mAh battery and it has 7 hours backup, and you can also use the speaker through SD card or through aux cable. Let's unbox the box. The packing is very nice. I can see, wow, what a super speaker. I can see the rugged design there and it's very handy and it's compatible, and you can see a USB charging and a aux cable inside it. Both aux cable and USB charger are of compatible length. You can see the user manual. It's just it contains details about other products of boat. Let's throw it away. And here is the guidelines to use the Boatstone granite. You can see the picture of the Boatstone granite. Just these are the things. It's the manual to say. It says we can either connect through aux or USB. Or through SD. That's the thing, and it's just information on how to use it. And you can see it has a 1-year warranty there. The packing is really nice. The packing is done in such a way that the speaker is not damaged during transit. Okay, let me turn on my boat.
Power on! You've plugged into Nirvana. Your device is ready to pair.
Hope you hear the sound from the Boatstone granite. It says that it is ready to pair. Let me plug on my let me turn on my Bluetooth in my phone and let's see the voice again.
You're now connected to Boatstone Grenade.
So the thing is, once we are getting a voice message before and after connecting the Boatstone granite through Bluetooth. Okay, let's hear some music through Bluetooth connectivity. Okay, I have turned off my music. Let's see what happens if I disconnect the Bluetooth.
Disconnected.
From my observation, what I can see here is there is a blue light. Whenever sound gets on, the blue light is been blinking. Also, the speaker is one-sided. Overall, the quality of both speaker is very good and it has a high bass. Okay, let me open the both speaker and you can see there is a micro SD card plug, aux cable and a USB charger. Now let me plug the aux cable and let's hear some more music through aux cable. Let's see the music through aux cable. I hope you can hear the music. Let me turn off the music now. Quality of music played through aux cable via Boston Current is very good. The quality is unbeatable. And now let me plug in my memory card. When I plugged in memory card, the music has started to play. Just I have muted the same due to copyright issue. The quality of the Boston Grenade is really unbeatable. No speaker can match it. I have just when I plugged out the memory card, it was automatically entered Bluetooth again. And This is a very worthable speaker, and you can go for it definitely. That's it, guys. That's all about the video, and thank you so much for watching.